Bitcoin money is one of those digital currencies that many individuals have known about, however, don't actually have the foggiest idea what it is. BCH is still frequently seen as only Bitcoin side grade and just talked about with regards to examining Bitcoin forks. Be that as it may, it has shown a great deal of commitment and is right now one of the 30 greatest digital currencies on the planet. Similarly, as with some other cryptographic money, it is difficult to say regardless of whether Bitcoin money will be a wise speculation. However, its high market cap and strong specialized establishment too as extraordinary expected convenience can assist with keeping its cost above water in the event that the market slumps. Bitcoin Money, BCH survey. Bitcoin Money is a hard fork of Bitcoin. The coin split from the first convention back in 2017 in the midst of rising worries about adaptability, slow exchange speed, and high charges. Furthermore, there was a contention in the Bitcoin people group encompassing the genuine reason for the coin, which Satoshi Nakamoto illustrated just like a really decentralized distributed computerized installment strategy. Numerous members felt like the first Bitcoin didn't address those values any longer. Be that as it may, the Bitcoin money of today isn't the very same coin it was in 2017. BCH itself likewise went through a hard fork. In 2018, it split into Bitcoin ABC, presently known as Bitcoin Money, and Bitcoin SV, Satoshi's vision. The fork was made on the grounds that the local area differ on the fate of the digital currency, specifically concerning block size. At first, BCH had a block size cutoff of 8 MB. This permitted the coin to bring down its expenses and increment its exchange throughput. From that point forward, its block size has expanded considerably more and is equivalent to 32 MB right now. In spite of the advantages this coin can give, there are many things that stand among BCH in significance. First and foremost, there's the first Bitcoin. Most financial backers actually pick it over the more in fact progressed Bitcoin money. Besides the fact that BCH disregarded similar to a beneficial venture. However, it is likewise not being treated remotely close as in a serious way as BTC. With regards to ordinary utilization, numerous commercial centers still just acknowledge BTC as installment, leaving out all the altcoins. We imagine that absence of use for its planned objects is the second deterrent that blocks BCH cost development. While in principle, this coin has a fantastic block limit, which prompts high exchange throughput, as a general rule, just a little level of BCH is effectively being utilized under 5%. From one perspective, that should be visible as something to be thankful for, all things considered. Digital currencies are frequently reprimanded for being unpredictable. However, on the other, it brings up a ton of issues. At any point can BCH break out of this example and hit another greatest cost, as well as increment its typical worth as well. The truth will surface at some point. Right now, we can bring up that authentic information shows the overall solidness of this coin and its protection from market slumps. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Bitcoin money costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Bitcoin money will be $177.78. The greatest level that the BCH cost can reach is $208.45. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $182.97. Possible return on initial capital investment, 53.9% by BCH value figure for February 2023. In view of the value changes of Bitcoin money toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical BCH pace of $136.20 in February 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $124.53 and at $140.09 separately. Possible return on initial capital investment, 3.4% by WAC 2023. Bitcoin money value estimate. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the BCH cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $132.44, while the greatest could reach $146.90 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Bitcoin money may be around $138.92. Expected return for capital invested, 8.5% by BCH value gauge for April 2023. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value vacillations of Bitcoin money in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal BCH rate they foresee may be around $144.48 in April 2023. It can drop to $138 as a base. The greatest worth may be $153.84. Possible return for capital invested, 13.6% by May 2023. Bitcoin money value figure around mid-year 2023. The BCH cost will be exchanged at $150.25 overall. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitcoin money worth to $159.62. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $145.07 in May 2023. Possible return for capital invested, 17.9% by BCH value conjecture for June 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Bitcoin money costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, $153.26. The least and pinnacle BCH rates may be $146.78 and $167.13. Possible return for money invested, 23.4% by July 2023. Bitcoin money value conjecture. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the BCH cost will be around $159.39. In July 2023, the Bitcoin money cost might drop to at least $154.20. The normal pinnacle worth may be $174.80 in July 2023. Likely return for capital invested, 29.1% by BCH value estimate for August 2023. Having dissected Bitcoin money costs, digital currency specialists expect that the BCH rate could arrive at a limit of $181.17 in August 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to $156.09. For August 2023, the anticipated normal of Bitcoin money is almost $162.58. Expected return on initial capital investment, 33.8% by September 2023. Bitcoin money value conjecture around mid-2023. The Bitcoin money cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $167.45. Crypto experts expect that in September 2023, the BCH cost could vary somewhere in the range of $160.97 and $187.68. Likely return on initial capital investment, 38.6% by BCH value estimate for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Bitcoin money worth won't dip under at least $168.96. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is $194.38. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $174.15. Expected return on initial capital investment, 43.5% by November 2023. Bitcoin money value gauge. Digital currency specialists